100 word per minute for 3 minutes start. This petition was admitted for regular hearing, wide order dated, full stop. In response thereof, the respondents submitted their written statement wherein it is stance of respondent that after the start of admission process, a list of candidate was received by Rawalpindi Medical University from the University of Health Sciences, Lahore, full stop. On January, the information of all the selected candidates for admission in Medical University was uploaded on university websites, regarding instructions for admission process, list of original documents to be presented for admission, full stop. On January, respondent also issued call letter to those students who had not reported till January as per instructions contained in prospectus for the sessions by University of Health Sciences, wherein the students were directed to report to Rawalpindi University with their original documents, full stop. It is stance of respondent that the January University of Health Sciences directed the Medical University to submit the list of unreported students till closing hours, which was forwarded accordingly on the same date, depicting the name of the petitioner as well, full stop. On the other hand, stance of the University of Health Sciences is that the petitioner since failed to report to the concerned university and deposit in original documents in accordance with the provision of the prospects for admission. Thus, he was excluded from the admission process. Full stop. I have heard learned counsel for the petitioner as well as learned counsel for the respondent universities at considerable length and peruse the record. Full stop. There is no denial to the fact that the petitioner has earned distinction in his short educational career and after completing his higher secondary school education. Full stop.